Hi everyone, welcome back to Fresh Ingredients. Today's episode is inspired by none other the great chef of the world, Gordon Ramsay, and I love his scrambled egg recipe. Today I want to make it, but I'm going to add a little touch of Indonesian ingredient. He always use cream fraiche to finish his scrambled egg, but I want to change it with coconut milk. This is instant coconut milk. As you can see, it is very thick. And I'm going to add 1 lemon wedge to add acidity. I will serve the scrambled egg with sourdough that I bought from a local baker in Jakarta. Sourdough already has delicious sour flavor, so I'm not going to season it with anything, just toast it in a toaster. On a cold pan, crack 4 eggs. Add lots of butter that I already cut the butter in small pieces so it will melt more quickly. And I believe many of you already know the drill. Cook the eggs in medium heat and keep stirring it. Take off the heat and back on the heat until it starts to thicken like this. Then we're ready to season it with salt, black pepper, 2 tablespoons of that coconut milk mixture, and fresh chopped parsley. Or you can only add 1 tablespoon of coconut milk if you want to make it lighter. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot, finish it with more butter and stir it until the butter melts and all the seasoning combines together, and then we're ready to serve it. Serve it onto that toasted sourdough, sprinkle with a little bit more of black pepper and parsley, and then we're ready to eat it. And the taste actually is very good. I can taste the creamy coconut milk flavor and the soury from the lemon, the flavor from the fresh parsley, salt, black pepper, and the sourdough really complements the scrambled egg beautifully. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you and I see you next time.